to How To Music Tech. This is part 23 in this series. How to clear a loop. Once you've recorded a loop, you may need to get rid of it so you can start again. To clear a loop, press the clear foot switch located here. It's foot switch number 4. Alternatively, you can press clear on the touchscreen, and that will clear the loop that was currently recorded so you can start again fresh. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials on this unit and others to come. Plus, if you'd like to support the channel directly, why not consider becoming a member? Thanks again, goodbye, see you in the next one.